In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops, in their unabated acts of state terrorism, have martyred 910 children during the last 33 years. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Day of Innocent Children Victims of Aggression today revealed that 910 children were among the 96,054 Kashmiris martyred by Indian troops from January 1st, 1989 till date. The report said that the killing of innocent civilians by the troops rendered 107,860 children orphaned in the territory during the period, while thousands of people, including schoolboys and girls, were also injured by pellets, bullets and tear gas shells fired by Indian troops, police and paramilitary forces. Hundreds of boys as well as girls aged below 19 have been martyred during cordon and search operations and fake encounters, while a large number of boys under the age of 19 are facing illegal detentions under black laws in different jails of illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and India. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Political Movement, in a statement in Srinagar, called upon the United Nations bodies and human rights organizations working for the protection of children to come forward and save the Kashmiri children from the Indian state terrorism. Meanwhile, Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred one more Kashmiri youth during a cordon and search operation in Rishipura area of South Kashmir's Islamabad district. The body of the youth, cheered beyond recognition, was recovered from the debris of a house destroyed by the troops with chemical substance in the area. Narendra Modi-led fascist Indian government has decided to create 8 highly militarized safe zones in the Muslim-majority Kashmir Valley for the Kashmiri Pandits on the patterns of Israeli colonial settlements. The decision in this regard was taken at a high-level meeting chaired by the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi yesterday. Kashmir watchers and political experts are of the opinion that under this plan, India wants to permanently settle its Hindu citizens in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir to change the democratic composition of the territory, just like Israel has done in Palestine. On the other hand, 2 more Kashmiri laborers were injured in a grenade blast in Aglar Zainipura area of Shopian district.